Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up a mentor tracker using Google Sheets for LinkedIn conversations step by step clearly. Open Google Sheets on your computer or mobile device. Create a new spreadsheet by clicking on the blank option. In the first row of your spreadsheet, label your columns. Consider including columns such as date, name, topic, key insights. Adjust the width of the columns for better visibility. Enter sample data in the first few rows to test your setup. For the date column, format it to display dates appropriately. Click on the date column, go to Format, and select Number, then Date. In the name column, you can enter the names of your mentors or connections. Use the topic column to note the main subject of your conversations. In the Key Insights column, summarize important points or takeaways from each discussion. Utilize the follow-up column to remind yourself of any action items. Consider using conditional formatting to highlight important dates or topics. Go to Format, then Conditional Formatting to set the rules based on your preferences. As you complete conversations, update the spreadsheet with new entries. Regularly review your mentor tracker to keep track of insights and follow-ups. Share the sheet with mentors or team members if collaboration is needed. Utilize Google Sheets' built-in features, such as filtering and sorting, to organize your data effectively. Customize the sheet with colors or themes to make it visually appealing. Save your work periodically to avoid losing any data. With this mentor tracker, maintain organized and fruitful LinkedIn conversations effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.